how are you doing? Welcome to my channel, Roasty Sir. Today we're gonna make another easy and delicious recipe, chicken teriyaki. This was requested by Guard Soma, one of my viewers. So if you are watching, this video is for you. So come on guys, let's get started! Okay guys, here are our ingredients for chicken teriyaki. Here we have 1 pound of chicken, boneless thighs, flour, ground black pepper, salt. Okay, we're gonna use this for the coatings because later we're gonna fry our chicken thighs. Okay, so first we're going to prepare our sauce. We're just gonna combine everything into the bowl. First is soy sauce, honey, and then we're gonna add sugar, our water, and then I'm using rice vinegar, chili flakes, and our grated garlic and grated ginger. What we do is to stir them well, mix it thoroughly until everything is well combined. Okay, and then guys, we're gonna set aside this for a while. Okay guys, and now we're gonna fry our chicken, but before we begin this, we need to season it up with salt and pepper, just a little bit. And then pat them with flour. Both sides of the chicken should be coated before we fry them. So we have our preheated frying pan here. What we wanna do is add some cooking oil. Alright. When it's hot, put the chicken in. Fry it over medium-high for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or just until it's golden brown. And now it's ready to be flipped. Flip the chicken until the other side is brown. It'll take about another 5 minutes and then reduce the heat to medium. By the way guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, just click the subscribe button, like and share this with your friends, because I know they also want to try our delicious and awesome chicken teriyaki, so they don't miss out this video, okay? When it's cooked, carefully pour our sauce that we made earlier into the pan. Alright, just keep cooking the chicken. You can flip it once in a while until each side have cooked through, or until the sugar in the sauce is caramelized a little bit. Look at our chicken teriyaki! It looks delicious, isn't it? Awesome! You should try it. Take the chicken out of the pan to slice them and put it on the cutting board. Slice the chicken into pieces about half inch, like this. And then put the chicken back into the sauce. Mix it well until the chicken is coated with this delicious and yummy sauce of our chicken teriyaki. If it's ready, we're gonna put it on a serving platter or bowl and then sprinkle them with some sesame seeds and garnish with spring onions. So there you have it, our delicious chicken teriyaki. Wow, guys, this is so good. You should give it a try. Awesome chicken teriyaki. I hope you guys loved today's video. And if you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again in my next video. Stay safe and healthy. Bye guys!